Ever dreamt of that perfect escape? Sunsets on a secluded beach, exploring ancient ruins, or maybe getting lost in the bustling streets of a foreign city. The world beckons, but there's always that nagging question in the back of your mind: how do I manage my money abroad? Enter financial institutions like Tangerine. They seem convenient, offering a suite of services at your fingertips. But can this convenience translate internationally? Buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving deep to see if Tangerine can truly be your financial partner in crime anywhere in the world. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Tangerine itself operates primarily in Canada and South Africa. So, if you're a globetrotter with your heart set on Europe, Asia, or South America, using Tangerine in the traditional sense might not be an option. But hold on a minute, adventurers. This doesn't mean your dream vacation has to go on hold. While using your Tangerine account directly abroad might be limited, there are still ways to make your money work for you on your travels. Let's explore some clever strategies. Planning is key. Pre-trip account management. Think of your trip as a mini financial expedition. Before you set sail, it's crucial to get your Tangerine account in tip-top shape. Here's what you should do. Notify Tangerine. Give them a heads up about your travel plans. This helps them flag any suspicious activity on your account that might occur due to international transactions. Imagine trying to explain that Parisian croissant purchase while you're chilling in the French Riviera. Avoid the hassle. Bring a backup. While debit cards are widely accepted, consider bringing a credit card from a different provider. This offers an extra layer of security and can be helpful in case your Tangerine card gets lost or stolen. Making the most of your Tangerine account abroad. Now, let's talk about some specific ways to utilize your Tangerine account while adventuring. ATMs. While you might incur foreign transaction fees, Tangerine debit cards can still be used for ATM withdrawals in most countries. Just be sure to factor in these fees when budgeting for your trip. Researching ATM fees before you leave can help you avoid any nasty surprises. There are also online tools that can help you find fee-free ATMs at your destination. Online transactions. The beauty of the digital age. You can still use your Tangerine account to make online purchases from most international retailers. Again, be mindful of potential foreign transaction fees. Alternative solutions. Consider borderless options. If you're a frequent flyer or crave the peace of mind of seamless international transactions, consider exploring financial products designed for globetrotters. Travel cards. Prepaid travel cards allow you to load up with currency before your trip, avoiding foreign transaction fees and offering better exchange rates. Travel-friendly banks. Several banks offer accounts specifically designed for international use, often with waived foreign transaction fees and features like multiple currencies. The bottom line, can Tangerine be your international financial partner? While Tangerine itself might not be a one-stop shop for your international finances, with some planning and a dash of resourcefulness, it can still be a valuable tool on your travels. Remember, communication with Tangerine before your trip is key, and exploring alternative solutions like travel cards or travel-friendly bank accounts can give you more flexibility and peace of mind. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual travel style and budget. Do your research, choose the strategy that best suits your needs, and most importantly, get out there and explore the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.